Hey, what's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Ceejaybrand. I'm finally back with a brand new tech unboxing video. Today on this episode, we're going to be unboxing the brand new Xbox Series S. I've been waiting to actually get my hands on the X series, but I was like, you know what, bruh? I ain't gonna get one. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and just get the S and call it a day. I mean, they pretty much are the same thing. Just the difference maybe size and storage that you can buy it at, and maybe just ray tracing. But I'm like, I got this behind me. I can ray trace all day on this. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're gonna be unboxing it, talking about the specs is on this small little box. Stay tuned and we'll be right back. All right, yeah, so here we go. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open. I think we're gonna go ahead and I don't know which one I want to use, so I guess we're gonna use both of them. Let's go ahead and start off with the gold one first. Find out where we can open this bad boy at. But I was actually thinking that we may not even need to use this real, but yeah, because it had the little things already on. Oh, I done cut my box. No. All right, so that was one cut right there with that one. Looks like the second one is going to be right here. I hope this don't fall out, man. Like, we got one more at the bottom. Oh, yes, we do. Looks like this is going to win that one, too. Yeah, man, but this Xbox really got some good things with it, man. First of all, it's digital, so we don't have to worry about buying, you know, CDs anymore at all. But the moment of truth, the 512 gigabyte solid state drive Series S Xbox, all white. Let's open it up. Oh, power your dreams, man. This thing, bro. Wow, it actually got some weight to it, man. But y'all didn't hear that. But there go that Xbox right there, baby. Okay, all right. Oh, okay, cool. Let's see right here. Looks like we just got some random paperwork or whatever. Oh, it looks like it's just a getting started part. That's pretty cool right there. We got any wires in here? Oh, I'm drove. Wire box. Okay. All right, so in the wire box, obviously, thank God, man. This is what I really love about it, because they got rid of that power brick. That power brick, man. That right there. Whew. All right, so that's that right there, the power itself. We got us a brand new HDMI cable. It's a high-speed one, I guess, especially designed for the Xbox Series S. That's pretty cool right there. Obviously, we got some documentation right here. Yeah. Oh, the ice white Xbox controller, man. Sheesh. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, I like this. Oh, what? Bro, are you serious? Yo, I mean, wow. Well, I guess I had me an ice white one, but it looks like mine is actually used probably or dirty. Like, bro, like, you see that? That looks like crap, yo. All right, whatever. Then we got some Duracell batteries right there. That's actually everything that we have inside the box. So yeah, man, this box is pretty heavy, bro. There's nothing up in here. That's all right. But yeah, man, this Xbox, I mean, it's real cool. It's all digital, like I said. 512 gigabyte solid state drive, 120 frames per second. Of course, not every game works for it just yet, but you know, as gamers, they develop and get everything situated, we'll be able to play this right here in pretty much every game in 120 frames per second. Let's see, we also have on here all right, blooper. We got the Xbox Velocity architecture in here. I'm not for sure what that really means. I'll definitely be leaving some comments in this video below. Also, we have the high dynamic range, also known as HDR, and once again, disc-free gaming. So yeah, that's pretty much all about this Xbox right here, man. I'm definitely going to be hooking this bad boy up, but I know you guys are like, hey bro, don't be ending the video, bro, without unboxing this. But hey, guess what? I got it open for you. Like, this is like so small, man, compared to the new Xbox. I mean, the old Xbox. Like, look at this, bro. This is just magnificent. We ain't got the touchscreen little box no more. Looks like we got us some nice fan storage on this side and that side. Oh, cool. So I can actually set my thing up like this, but you can't set it up on this side because they don't got the bumpers. Then it looks like on the back as well, we also got the Ethernet cable right here, 2 USB cables, HDMI, and this right here is like the storage expansion thing that they have. I most likely won't purchase it, but I mean, you know, you never know. So if I need me some more oxygen in my Xbox, I guess I will. Then of course the power thing right there. So that's pretty much, man. Let's go to hook this bad boy up and see what we can do.